In this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a digital product like this backshots or this Mac app devices or this Mac app bundles right here. Right now you might be wondering how are these vendors and product creators are actually creating their digital products. So I did some research and I found this tool right here guys, which is Click Designs. Now the moment I found this tool, I immediately purchased the tool, and because I really like the tool, software is really high quality, and you can create guys a digital product cover from this backshots right here, from this e-covers or ebook covers, from this devices right here, from this you have this devices, beautiful looking devices and Mac apps right here, from this e-cover or ebook covers right here. So you have this done for you template that you can use right here guys, and this Mac app bundles right here, which is really cool and high quality template guys. And then let's take a look at what are the other things right here, like this illustrations. Right now you might be wondering how are they able to create this graphics in their sales pages right here, right? And yeah, so luckily I'm able to find the exact tool and software that they're using in their business. So so I'm gonna show you exactly how to create how to use this app or how to use this software to create a digital product, right? So let's say you wanted to create this backshots right here. What you need to do is would click on this one right here, and it would open up this templates right here that you can use, right? And let's say guys you wanted to use this template right here. You would click on this use template and then name a template or name your brand new creation. Let's say your product is all about how to make money, right? And click on this continue button right here, and it will let you guys edit that template. And it's a drag and drop software. You don't need to have any kind of technical or graphic design skills guys, because you can literally use this software or template guys and update the branding, like the logos and the images and the colors of this template. So let's say you wanted to update this front cover right here. Click on that one and click on this edit button right here, and it will let you guys customize and edit that front cover of that backshots, right? Alright guys, so this is the front cover of that Mac app. So what we can do guys is we can remove this one right here. We can click on this background or this image right here, and we can change this background image right here by uploading your own image, or by adjusting the opacity of the image right here, something like that. So let's say we don't want that image, we wanted to have this clean background right here. We can also do that. We can change this logo by uploading your own logo right here. You can change this text right here. You can change this shapes right here. You can change the color of that. Let's say you wanted to like use this color, let's use other color right here, like this one right here. We can copy this hex code right here, all right, and then we can go right here and we can paste that hex code right here, right, something like this. And then we can change this image right here guys. You can upload your own image, upload your own logo right here, right? And then all you have to do now is you would click on this preview right here, and it will let you preview the changes of your design right here, right? All you have to do is you would click on the save and exit right here, right? So that's the changes of our design right here has now been applied. So you have this different color right here. What you can do is you would upload the second one right here. You would click on this edit right here, and then you can again you can click on this one. You can remove the opacity of this to make it like a cleaner background. You can change this color right here. You can add your own barcode right here. You can just search this on Google barcode and use a different color of this and upload the image right here. Change the color of this shapes right here by placing the hex code that we copied a while ago. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Upload your own logo right here. You can add in shapes, you can add in a background, a you know, an icons right here, and illustrations right here, right? You can pretty much, you know, drag and drop an element into your canvas right here, and it will let you you know, edit your template. Now what you can do is you would click on this preview, and it will let you preview that, you know, image right here. What you can do is you can adjust this one right here, so you can basically you know, make some adjustments. Click on preview again, and it looks much better now. And then you would click on this save and exit right here, and you have now this, you know, beautiful looking product cover or markup right here. Of course, you need to optimize the changes. All right, and all you have to do now is click on this export right here. You can choose PNG, you can choose different kind of format right here, JPEG, or this WebP right here, or this PDF right here. You know, you can also add in a watermark. So let's say you wanted to add a watermark, you wanted to like sell this as a service, you can add in a watermark right here. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Click on this export right here, and your design or your product design will be, you know, downloaded into your computer, and you can now use that, you know, product design into your products, right? So as you can see, it's now downloaded right here. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, guys, and there's tons of things, guys, that you can do with click designs, right? Just like I said a while ago, there are tons of, you know, things that you can you know, do with click designs, and you can pretty much use this, guys, to create graphics into your products, into the sales pages of your product. Just like this website right here, they have this beautiful looking, you know, Mac apps right here in their sales pages right here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I'm gonna try to put a link in the description of this video if you wanted to use click designs. This is not free, this is a paid software, but if you wanted to invest into the software, into your affiliate marketing business, or into whatever product or services that you're trying to sell online, then I'm gonna, you know, try to put a link below this video, that way you can use this software into your own business. So that's pretty much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload tips and tricks like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.